Hello guys, welcome to Piechart. My name is Prakhar, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create our own pie chart. And this question is mostly asked in the UI development interviews or Reactjs interviews. So how to create your own pie chart? So this is a pie chart that I have created for demonstrating my skills on full stack development. So here this I've given 50% of my skill as Reactjs. So that's why I've shown the blue color with half of the whole pie chart. Then I have given green for like other skills like this would be like Express Plus and Node.js. Then there will be MySQL and there will be like HTML series. That is the most basic thing that we require. So I demonstrated my full stack development skills according to this pie chart. So let's see how we can create this pie chart in a simple way. So for that, what I will do, I will like remove all these things, okay, and uh, and I will need to first install our like model. Okay, so you require a recharge module to create this pie chart. Okay, so npm I recharge, if you do, it will create a it will create a module recharge into your package or JSON. Okay, so once you do this, okay, so then the pie chart has been installed successfully in your Node.js models. Installed. So congratulations, it has been installed. So now what I will do, I will create a simple pie chart. For that, I will require the React model from the React package, and then uh, I require the pie chart model. Okay, so pie chart model I will require for the recharge package. So from the recharge package, I imported the pie chart model. This is used for creating our pie charts. Another thing that will require is a pie. Okay, so pie is another model that is used for creating our segments inside the pie chart, and for like coloring that segment for means for having visual appearances of those segments, we require the cell property, cell component. Okay, so using these three things we will create our own pie chart. Okay, and the other one will require tooltip, but in this tutorial we are going for simple pie chart, so that's why I'm not using this. And after doing this, what I'll do, I will create an object. Okay, const data in which I will define my skills. Okay, so skills as per skills and the score as per my knowledge. Okay, so the first skill will be skill. It will be a Reactjs. Okay, so I will have to define a lot of skills. So I will use curly braces for defining each skill. React, and the score that I will rate myself out of 1,000 in Reactjs, like 500. Okay, so, and the other skills will be Node.js plus Express.js, Node plus Express. Okay, and the score that I will rate myself, it will be the score that I will rate myself, it will be 300. Okay, another skill that will be MySQL skill, uh, MySQL. Okay, and I will rate myself uh, I'm still learning, so I will rate 150, and the remaining one is the HTML and CSS. Okay, HTML plus CSS. This you must require for creating website development. And score, I will rate like remain like 500, 300, 150, and it will like 150 more required. So 150 I will rate. Okay, and then I will simply close the array. So this is the array for that will used to define my skills. Okay, and for this array, I need to make colors for showcasing these skills. So for that, I will use const colors equal to like green, red, green. Then another one I require violet. Sorry, violet, and yeah, and another one for looking beautiful, I will use yellow. I know, yeah, yeah. So this is there. I forgot the comma. I'm sorry. Okay. So this will require. Then let's go and create our functional component of so functional app. And in the functional component, what I will do, I will do the return. Why I'm doing these mistakes? Yeah, return, and then I require the pie charts for creating a pie chart. So I will do uh, pie chart. Okay. So once I declare the pie chart, I require the width and height of our pie chart. We need to set the width and height of our pie chart. Means how much you want your pie chart to look like. So for that, the width I will declare as like 400, and the height I will give as that will also be a 400. Okay. So once I do this, then I need to create the pie. So for once I created a pie chart, so a black color pie chart will be created. Okay. So inside the pie chart, I need to create segments for showcasing these skills. Okay. Each segment will show a different skill. Okay. So here what I will do, I need to create the pie component. pie, and the pie component needs some props. Okay, so it has some inbuilt property like data key. Data key is like the key, what is the key element of your pie chart. So in that I will pass my score. Okay, so according to my score, I will uh, create my pie chart segments. Okay, so data key, there is first prop that is required. You can write in any order. It depends on you. Um, I should write here data. Okay, so in the data prop, I will pass my data object in using which I can create my own segments inside the pie chart. Okay, and yeah, so data I created, data key I created. The another things that I require like yeah, means I do not want to show labels, right? So label line, I want to show it as false. Okay, if you want to make it true, it totally depends on you. So these three things we have created. Okay, so yeah, so pi component I have created in which I have passed some props. So according to these props, I will use this prop. Okay, so now I've created my pie chart with I've given you the width and height of it. Later on, I created the pie for declaring the each segment. So what in which I pass some props like in data prop, we will have the data or the data array that I passed. The data key inside the data object, my key value is the my score, and the value is the skills that I have created. And the label line, I do not want to create any lines for me to showcase these skills, so I created label line is false. And inside this, so I will use data dot map property to define each segment with a particular color. Okay, so that it will have the visual representation of our skills looks better. Okay, I think you need, I am not understood what I am doing for each segment. I am mapping to I'm mapping a particular color. Okay, so that the visual representation looks good for that particular segment. Understood? And inside that, what I will do, I'll use the curly braces, and inside that, I will write data dot map. Okay, data dot map, and inside that I will pass like an entry. So this entry is basically representing the skill segment. Okay, for inside the data array, and that is then index. So index is basically assigning the indices for the uh, each skills inside the data array. So this is a data array, so I'm passing index that will define the each index like one for this, two for this, like that. Okay, and index to a particular skill, and entry that for all those skills. Okay, and the first field entry for all those skills, and the indices I'm defining for defining those like skills a particular index. Okay, cool. This I do. Okay, and then I will use the arrow bracket, and then because the small bracket in the data dot map functionality, and then I will use the sale keyword for for then I will use the sale component for defining the color for each segment. Okay, without sale component you cannot define the colors or any other thing, or any other property to or the particular segment. Otherwise the color or of the pie chart will look black for each uh, uh, pie segments. Okay, yeah, understood. Sale, and then I for each segment inside the pie I will define the index. Okay, this is done, and now I need to fill the color for the each segment. Okay, so fill equal to see. I want to tell again, this index I am defining for a particular segment. For each segment, there is some index. So sales key equal to index is representing a particular segment index. Okay, fill equal to I will use like curly braces, uh, not small bracket, curly braces, like colors. Okay, I will for each segment I will define the color, and inside the color I will use index uh, percent index mod colors dot length. Okay, so I am basically what I am doing here, I am uh, coloring my segment according to the index. Okay, I am coloring my segment according to index. So red will define the red, and so I do not want to show red with red. I will want to show blue with red. So blue will define red, green will define node plus space, violet will define MySQL, and yellow will define HTML and CSS. Okay, so according to the indices, I am defining the color for each segment. Okay, so if you want to define the color for each segment, you require cell component so that you can color that segment. Okay, understood? Yeah, so this you do, and then cell is the only one component that you require, and like you do not need to close another with the ending tag of the cell. So yeah, this looks cool. And then once it's done, then I will do export like default and app. Yeah, so this I have created, and let's run this. Yeah, so npm start I will do. I don't think they will deliver, but if it comes, we will check it. Yeah, so you can see that the color, like pie chart, is declared beautifully. This is for React. The yellow was for uh, the yellow was one for HTML and CSS. So like, and the violet one was for the uh, MySQL, okay, and the green one was for Node and Express, okay. So I hope you understood the concepts here. So here you will see the like Node and Express are given my score as 300. Suppose if I will give like 200, so you will see the difference in the colors, okay. So yeah, you can see this randomly change looking so means smoothly is changing the colors. That looks quite satisfying. And if you want to set this pie chart to the center of the application, so you will pass a div tag uh, before that pie chart, and you will close this div tag, and you will wrap this entire pie chart inside the div tag. Once you did this, you need to make this as center. So for that, you will pass style part, style property, and inside that you will like do display as flex. So using flex you can move the element in any position you want and display flex, and then you will do justify content at like center. So this will make our entire component to the center. So here flex is not defined. So it is not defined just because I have not used a small quotes, less quotes. Okay, so now you will see error has gone. Okay, and this is your pie chart. You want to refresh it, you will see the pie chart is created beautifully. This is for React, and the other representing the other skills. Okay, so this is my pie chart. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please share with all your friends so they can also learn the React. I know I'm uh, making videos very lesser, but please forgive me. I will make videos faster in this and next week. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.